Hey guys, for a couple of assignments, your teachers are going to ask you to take a screenshot of your work. This video is going to help you take a screenshot of your work if you are using an Apple product like a MacBook. Okay, so to do this, you can look for a couple of keys on your keyboard. You're going to look for the key called Command, Shift, and the number 4. Once you find all three of those, you're going to hit all three at the same time. When you do that, your mouse is going to change. Now, because I'm using this video platform, my mouse doesn't change, but it should look like crosshairs and a target. That's what your mouse should look like. Okay, and you might see some numbers on the side as you move your mouse. Some numbers might come up and it might change. You're going to take your mouse and you're going to put it in the spot where you want to start taking your picture. So I want to take a screenshot of this whole thing. This is my work and I want to submit this to my teacher. So I'm going to put my mouse at the beginning corner and I'm going to take it and scroll all the way down to make sure I get the whole picture. Once I've done that, I'm going to let go of my mouse and I should hear the camera click. And the picture should come up on the corner of my screen and I've taken a screenshot. Now I'm ready to upload this screenshot. So I'm going to click where my teacher wants me to upload it. Once I've done that, so here, this is where she wants me to upload my screenshot. So I'm going to click Start a New Thread. I can put my name in. Okay. Then I'm going to click on this box right here. It looks like just a regular rectangle with a triangle inside of it. I'm going to click on My Computer. I'm going to click Choose a File. So your screenshot will either go to one of two places. It will go to your desktop, which is where mine went. It's right here. Or sometimes it will go into your downloads and you can click there and look for it there too. So I have a bunch of screenshots. So once you find your screenshot, you're going to click Open. You're going to click Upload. I always choose this as a decorative. Then you're going to click Insert. And there's your picture. You can resize it if you want to and make it a little bit smaller. You can make it big. It doesn't matter. I'm going to resize mine so that it's smaller. And then you click Post. And now your teacher can see your finished work. All right, I hope this helps.